Hello everyone and welcome back to The Success Guide. Many of us had high school jobs, whether we babysit on weekends or worked in a store or a restaurant after school. Not sure about you, but there have been many times in our lives when we needed to make some extra money. The good news for us today is there are a wide range of ways to make money that weren't even around a decade ago. The rise in entrepreneurial vehicles has affected teens as well as adults, and there are several ways even those under the age of 18 can get in on some different ways to bring in some cash besides working at the local pizza place. There are things to buy, clothes, entertainment costs, electronic gadgets, plus it's good to save up for cars, college costs, and other big purchases. If you're one of the many teens who need or want to earn money to cover these costs, let us show you how. Today, we're going to be talking about how to make money if you are 18. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn notices on so you don't miss any valuable content. Number 12, Swagbucks. Swagbucks pays people money for doing quick and simple tasks. Some tasks include watching videos, playing games, a teen favourite, shopping online, answering surveys, and more. Basically, this is a free site that offers you a bunch of ways to earn cash, gift cards, and other rewards. For any teens out there, it is great because you only need to be 13 years old to join, so this is a great way to make money for teens of all ages. Those points can then be used to buy gift cards to your favourite store or can be transferred to your PayPal account for cash out. Using your Swagbucks account in your spare time will allow you to make money to pay for the things you need or want. Best of all, it's free to join. With Swagbucks, it's a great place to earn cash from watching videos, playing games, completing surveys, and much more. You can easily expect to make $15 a month from Swagbucks and have it paid in PayPal cash or Amazon vouchers. The Amazon vouchers are much better value than cash from Swagbucks. Number 11, make money sharing your opinion. Survey Junkie is called the most popular online spot to earn cash and rewards for sharing your thoughts. Companies such as Survey Junkie will help you get paid for your opinion. Brands want to get your feedback and they are willing to pay for it. You can take surveys on any device at any time, which makes it nice for earning cash during those wait times at the dentist's office or between social events. This could be a great way to make a little cash in your spare time. They have over 10 million members and can take surveys if you're 18 years or over. They make it easy to get paid, unlike so many other survey sites. If you like to give your opinion about things, why not get paid for it? You won't get rich taking surveys, but it may be one of the simplest money-making websites out there. Number 10, dog walking. If you're looking to earn money by helping animals but want a less time-sensitive job, you could offer dog walking services. Many people don't have time to walk their dogs but want their dogs to get exercise. These people will pay a decent hourly rate to have someone else walk their dog a few times a week. Advertise your services with neighbourhood flyers or on Facebook or at local pet stores. If you're walking dogs that get along with other dogs, you can walk several at once and increase your income. An organised schedule will help you keep track of your dog walking commitments. Number 9, house sit. If you have a neighbour, friend or family member who is going on vacation, they may want to hire a house sitter to make sure their home isn't vacant while they're away. Depending on what they need, house-sitting clients may ask you to be there for an hour or two a day, or maybe they just might want you to check in the house every day. Some homeowners want a house-sitter to live in their house for the entire time they're gone. Make sure you get clear instructions about what type of house-sitting they'll want before agreeing to take the job. Negotiate the pay you receive with potential clients and get a signed contract. Number 8, Opinion Outpost. Opinion Outpost is similar to the other survey-taking sites we mention here. You need to be 13 to sign up, and then you can start earning points, which can be redeemed for cash transfer to your PayPal account or for gifts cards to Amazon and iTunes. This company also has a quarterly drawing for $10,000 prize, and every survey you complete gets you another entry into the quarterly prize drawing. Also, as with many survey companies, it's free to join Opinion Outpost. Number 7, organise homes or garages. If you're good at organisation, you can start a business organising people's homes or garages. Many people want organised spaces, but just aren't sure where to start. If you have a knack for that type of work, you could be the answer to their prayers. When offering your services, take a thorough look at the job that needs to be done and determine how many hours it will take you. Then times the number of hours by the desired hourly rate and make that your offered price for the job. You can advertise your services on Facebook with flyers or emails. Contact friends, neighbours and family members and let them know about your organising services. Number 6, Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing site that lets people post their services for $5 a job and often more. There are all kinds of jobs posted, some more entry-level easy online jobs, some need a little more effort. Some examples are online marketing, affiliate marketing, freelance writing, virtual assistant, graphic designer, managing social media accounts, and SEO services among them. You create a profile with a list of services you can provide and choose a price for them, $5 to $995. Fiverr pays via PayPal and they keep less 20% of every job you complete. Is it worth it? Yes. Much like resale items, freelancing sites can become a full-time paying gig. If you're skilled, online clients sometimes refer real-world clients to you and can build a solid, regular client base with Fiverr. Number 5, Upwork. There are all kinds of jobs on Upwork, everything from writing to voiceovers. You can create a profile with examples of your work. Clients can see your profile and approach you, and you can bid on jobs. If your portfolio is thin, lowball some bids to establish a body of work and ratings from happy clients. The client pays Upwork and Upwork transfers money to your bank account or PayPal account. The fee schedule is here. Number 4, eBay. You must be 18 or older to make an account, but minors are permitted to use an adult's account. You can sell almost anything on eBay: clothes, books, old toys, things most teens have. Check out thrift stores and garage sales for things you can resell, set the price you want, or auction it by starting a starting bid price. eBay will help you price out shipping costs, and you can choose to include that in the price of your item and offer it with free shipping. Part of having good user feedback is prompt shipping, so be sure that they stay on top of your orders. There are several ways you can be paid after eBay sales. There are also several types and level of commission that eBay takes as their cut of each transaction. Is it worth it? Yes! For all of these resale sites, many people, these things start out as a way to make a little extra money online, but once they get the hang of it, it can start earning money with the hassle of a 9-to-5 job. Number 3, Shopkick. Shopkick is a mobile app that lets you earn kicks or points for visiting, shopping in and scanning barcodes in stores like TJ Maxx, Best Buys and Marshall. At Shopkick, you earn gift cards for the kind of everyday purchases you already make. You earn kicks or points for both brick and mortar and online shopping. Each kick is worth about 4 or 5 of a cent, so 500 kicks is equivalent to $2. Shopkick pays out via gift cards at places like Starbucks, Amazon and Walmart, among several others. You need a minimum of just $2, 500 kicks, to cash out. Is it worth it? Yes. Not because you are going to make a fortune, none of these shopping apps can do that, but because you can earn money online with Shopkick just for walking into particular stores, so why not take advantage? Number 2, U-Haul. Several companies offer work from home customer service jobs, but U-Haul is the only one that hires people under 18. The job entails taking calls from customers to answer questions and to make reservations for trucks and storage facilities. You're paid for the 4 weeks of training, and if you eventually become full-time, you can be eligible for benefits including medical and dental insurance and a 401k. Most reps work between 25 to 32 hours a week. Is it worth it? Yes, if you have the time. If you're able to work 25 hours, you'd make almost $200 before taxes, and as a team with no living expenses, that's kind of nice money. And at number 1, ClickWorker. ClickWorker is always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text, participate in surveys, or search and categorize data for us. This site hires workers for both online data entry transcription and online data entry jobs. Hired freelancers typically earn $9 to $10 an hour. To start looking through the site's posted jobs, you will need to fill out an online application, after which your email will be verified. Now that you're making money, what should you do with it? What you decide can impact your entire life. We know it's unrealistic to ask teenagers or anyone else to sock away every money spent. You earned that money, even if it wasn't for doing very much, and you should be able to enjoy some out of it. But if you save half of every dollar you earn, which is easy to do since you're still living at home, you have done perhaps the most important thing in your life to set yourself up for life of financial independence. While you are here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.